AI.foxit.com allows you to chat with PDFs to get the information you need in seconds. I received proposals from 2 different vendors, and I'd like to see which is a better fit for my company. I'll use AI.foxit.com to compare key points instantly. I'll click on the paperclip icon to upload them. AI.foxit.com supports multiple documents at once, allowing me to compare up to 10 files. Once uploaded, I can start chatting with my documents. Clicking Summarize the document will generate a summary of each document, which is great for getting a quick overview. AI.foxit.com automatically generates some questions you can click for further information. I can also type my own questions to start analyzing the content. AI.foxit.com provides sources for its responses. I can click on the source numbers to jump directly to the relevant section in the document. Typing follow-up questions gets me the information I need quickly without having to spend time searching. If there's a term I don't understand, I can copy it from the document and ask to define it. I'll use the More Tools menu and select Define and Clarify. Now that I've compared both proposals, I'll ask AI.foxit.com to write a conclusion that I can share with the team. I will refine the AI-generated conclusion using the Enhance Writing tool by copying the text, selecting More Tools, Enhance Writing, and opting for a professional tone with a shorter format. With AI.foxit.com, I can quickly compare proposals, analyze risk, and generate insights to make better business decisions. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.